Hi friends, this is your tech assistant Ratul again with a new video and welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Friends, we have made a small changes on our official website, so I would like to request you visit our official website, and I have already launched a poll to share your opinion. So just go to our community tab or go to our official Telegram channel. You can give your opinion. Okay, so that's it. This was a small announcement for you. Now let's come to the point. Today's topic. Today I'm going to show you how you can type more faster by using your voice. So we know in Gboard or most of the keyboard, by default there is an option to type by using voice. But sometimes what happened, we are not able to type properly, or we are not able to type faster. So that's why I am making this video. So friends, without any delay, please press the like button and watch the video completely till the end, and you will be able to do this. So let's start today's episode. So friends, for this you have to install an application. The name of the application is Super Voice Typer.
Echo, Milkshake, Veloco, Super Voice Typer.
So I'm opening this application.
Fetched 127 languages. Super Voice Typer. Editing, edit box. Showing English India QWERTY keyboard.
So here is the edit box where you can write anything, you can type anything, you can type by using your voice, or you can type by using a keyboard, your by default keyboard. Okay, so before everything, let me show you what are the options there.
Decrease text size. Change language.
So first option is change language. There are 127 languages available, but I think Bengali is not available, but still I hope it will come soon. So we can choose our language from these options. If I double tap here, then
close. Afrikaans, English India, 1 of 127.
English, which is already selected. Now next,
Afrikaans, South
Afrikaans,
Africa, Azerbaijan, Indonesia, Malay, Java, Sundan, Catalan, España,
okay.
8
So
of
there are
127.
lots of voices available. I'm not showing you in
Super voice,
okay.
Toggle dictation mode.
So dictation mode, you have to turn it on.
Dictation has been turned on.
I am swiping from left to right again.
Decrease text size.
So it's your text size will be decreased.
Increase text size 0%.
0%.
Edit box.
This is the edit box. Next,
Shrink app button.
Shrink app.
Change theme button.
Change theme. So if you want to change theme, like
red theme,
red theme,
yellow theme,
pink theme,
button.
theme,
green theme,
green
button.
theme,
gray theme,
gray theme. So I'm doing yellow theme. Okay.
Pink theme, yellow, pink, red. Change, cancel, Super Voice Typer.
Okay.
Shrink, change theme, save the device button.
So save to device, there is an option called save to device.
Record button.
Record button. By using this button, you have to type whatever you want. So let me try. As the screen recording, the screen recorder is turned on. I'm not sure it will work or not, but let me try. If it will not work, then you can try and then let me know into the comment section. So I'm pressing the
share record button.
Record button and try to say something.
Audio recording error.
Okay.
Share button.
So audio recording error, which means I'm not able to record anything. Why? Because already the screen recorder is on, which use my microphone. So I can't use my microphone more than one application at a time.
Clear button.
Clear button.
Share button.
Share button. So if you click on share button, you can easily share that text via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, whatever.
Record. Save the device.
And
button.
save to device means the text will be copied to your clipboard. Okay. So this is the application with the help of which you can type long paragraph by using your voice. To get this application, you have to join our Telegram channel, because only on our Telegram channel the application has been shared. Okay friends, this is for today. Just this is a very short video, I know. So I think this video is quite helpful, not very helpful but quite helpful for the blind users. So let me know into the comment section your opinion, and like the video, share the video with your friends and family. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care. This is me, Ratul, signing off.